Once upon a time, there was a little crab named Clyde. Clyde lives in a beautiful underwater castle, an underwater world full of treasures and mysteries. Clyde is a very brave and curious little crab. He is always eager to explore and find new things. However, the crab friends around him always believed that the world outside the underwater castle was full of dangers and advised him not to act rashly. But Clyde doesn't care. He firmly believes that every corner of the world is worth exploring. So, one day, he decided to embark on an adventure alone to find the ship of friendship. Clyde travels through coral jungles and through the bottomless ocean canyons. He encounters a variety of marine life, including a smart sea turtle, a pod of cheerful dolphins, and a friendly starfish couple. During his journey, Clyde learns the importance of listening, sharing, and respecting others. Eventually, Clyde discovers a mysterious ship abandoned on the ocean floor. He entered the cabin and found it filled with shells, gems, and treasures. More importantly, however, he finds an ancient treasure map in the cabin that marks the route to the friendship ship. Clyde excitedly followed the instructions on the treasure map and embarked on an adventurous journey to the friendship ship. Along the way, he encountered many challenges and difficulties, but he bravely overcame every obstacle. Finally, when Clyde arrived at his destination, he found a beautiful ship with many of his marine life friends he had met before. This is the legendary friendship ship, which was built jointly by marine creatures and represents the deep friendship and mutual help spirit between each other.